presents Kitty and Dragon, The Birthday Surprise, written by Mika Hashimoto, illustrated by Izzy Evans. One morning, Kitty finds an old photo of Dragon. He is blowing out candles on a cake. He is surrounded by many friends. The photo reminds Kitty that Dragon's birthday is coming up. Kitty does not like big parties, but she wants to surprise Dragon for his birthday. The party will be as wild as the one he had before. Kitty writes invitations. She mails them. Kitty goes on an extravagant shopping trip. She wants the very best for her friend Dragon. On the morning of Dragon's birthday, Kitty shoos him out the door. She tells him to come back in the afternoon. Kitty gets to work. She decorates. She welcomes guests. She puts out snacks. Finally, everything is ready. Kitty tells everyone to be quiet while they wait for Dragon. When Dragon arrives, Kitty asks him to put on a blindfold. She leads him inside. Surprise! Happy birthday, Dragon! Time for games, Kitty announces. They play Pin the Tail on the Dragon, and musical chairs, and many more games. Finally, everyone crowds around Dragon. They sing to him. Kitty brings over all the presents. Dragon opens every single one. His friends and family ooh and ah. Kitty is tired. She notices that Dragon looks tired too. She quietly and politely wraps up the party. Finally, the cave is quiet. Dragon, you look sad, says Kitty. What is wrong? Dragon pauses. Then he goes to the bookshelf. He gets out a box. Dragon shows Kitty a picture. He is wearing a birthday hat. He is all alone. He looks happy. Oh, Dragon, says Kitty. I invited everyone over because I thought you liked big parties, but you do not, do you? I do not like big parties either, Kitty says. Wait here, she tells Dragon. I have an idea. Kitty gathers a picnic blanket, a cupcake, and a single candle. Kitty invites Dragon outside. She spreads out the blanket. She offers him the cupcake. Happy birthday, Dragon, Kitty says. Dragon smiles. It is the same smile as the one in the photo. Kitty and Dragon enjoy a quiet sunset together. Dragon thanks Kitty for a perfect birthday evening.